Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, May 26th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And as you recall, yesterday we had a bunch of different things happen in these indices. The worst of them happened to the Russell, where they had an inside week up, which failed miserably and ended with an outside day down. Now, for right now, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, they are back inside, balance inside the day's range, above the previous day's low. They did go out with a price probe, so we're going to see if there's any follow-through. The Russell has not had much follow-through, right? They had an inside month down, which has failed. They had an inside week up, which failed, and now they had an outside day down. So a lot going on in the Russell. The main thing is they are in this 8-9 week balance inside the weekly. Until that gets resolved, you're going to get these pretty vicious moves inside of that. Triple Qs have a little less resistance above them as opposed to us. We still have not gotten to fill those single prints in ES or SPY from the 10th. The Triple Qs have done that. They're above the 10th range. They're inside the 7ths as they try to go for their afternoon rally high and that day's high. As far as SPY and ES, again, as this week goes on with the lack of volume and tempo and the 3-day weekend coming up. Yes, we do have the end of the month Friday, but unless there's some kind of catalyst, I don't see this market really attempting to do much in these next couple of days. Right now, we are opening in balance, maybe slightly above value. Again, there's still a lot of time to go prior to the opening. The volume pre-market, again, only 150,000 right now. So it's pretty light. As far as destinations, well, we had the price probe yesterday. Right now, that's being firmly rejected, 417.80. Then you have the afternoon rally high, which we're trading right around right now, 419.44. Yesterday's high, 420.71. And then the remainder of those single prints. Right now, the pre-market, the overnight high is 420.09. For the downside, first destination is our overnight low of 418.16. Then we don't have anything to yesterday's low of 417.62, 417.08 daily low, and then that other daily low of 414.45 way below that. So the destinations are far and wide apart, but unless we get some kind of tempo and volume, I don't know how much energy these algorithms are going to have. Game plan early this morning, well, as you can see, plain and simple, in balance, slightly above value, maybe in value, worst of the risk rewards. We did have a decent sized sell tail. Again, the way this market has trouble taking out previous day highs or lows, or even look at yesterday. Yesterday was the best trade of the day. Yesterday was an A period when they front ran the overnight high. They got to last month's high, front ran the overnight high by, let me see, not by much, 20, 30 cents. Never saw it. Never saw the opening again. So these are trades you could possibly take this morning. Just have your outs. You could see if they front run the overnight high again or the overnight low. And those are either shorts or longs you can take. Or you could just wait for more market generated information. If the ranges get smaller and the volume tightens up, and for argument's sake we become rotational, well, then you can just take larger sizes, because as long as you're taking a good risk-reward trade, if you're not going to get much out of it, you can take a larger size. Just make sure you have your stops in. And then on the chart, just quickly, here's the weekly. Inside week up, so far is holding. Right, we closed 4 cents above it yesterday. Now we're $1 and change above it. But it's still balanced, still firmly balanced for us. Daily, though, is still healthy. If we take out yesterday's high, we'll be one time framing up 5 days. Even if we have an inside day, it would be one time framing up 5 days. Obviously, for sellers, they want to take out yesterday's low and come into a 3-day balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.